your fleece on, crappy Gnasher.
It's about to get menaced.
It's about to explode, and it's going to cause a bombing in this school.
So, class, you should now have a beaker of green.
You should now have a beaker of a homemade bomb.
Liquid. Beaker of green. Green, not brown.
Green, shit brown.
I'll get my gold star. If it results, I'll get my 5th gold star.
I'm getting my 10th goal and beat you up, Dennis. Now it's blown up. The homemade bomb, has caused an explosion at Dennis's school. Evacuate the school! This is a fire alert. Evacuate the school. No school today. You will look after the stupid polygon. Water bombs to kill Dad. Hey, Dad's just had his head on fire. Water bombs kill everybody, and they've died.
Rain, monsoon. Don't worry, you're still my first mate, Gnasher.
You're still my stupid mate, Gnasher.
Oh, great. Look after our new friend, Menace.
Walter's in the crappy tree house, trying to make Dad say to Dennis that Walter has his tree house as a new home as they watch TV. Gnash the shit Parrot out of there. Brilliant! Crappy tunnel! It's a tit tunnel!
Too cold. Oh, I could
pretend to be a shit parrot.
You're a genius!
You're a crap genius, Pieface. You're banned from pies.
Mrs. Creature's come to check on...
Mrs. Creature's come to check on the shit polygon.
Polygon dip. Squad. Check on... I'm fine.
And Curly has gone to with a parrot over a calculator.
Squawk! Taught him some...
Gnash the shit papers. Run for it! The birds are coming! Quick! They're about to kill us!
Dennis? Nap about something. I bet too well.
And then they got killed, and then Dennis, Curly and Pieface were dead.
Oh, they gone before. Wait to see what you've got at.
What you got with your parrot?
Me that let him out.
It's me that let shit Dennis out.
Hey, Gnasher, I reckon Walter would love something different.
Walter would love something as shit and as sick as a parrot of the shit.
Gnasher?